Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we would be covering the part of getting Arduino data into your Excel files. We all know getting Arduino data into Excel shall help all of us doing a lot of programming and a lot of analysis on the data. Once you have the data in your Excel files, you can use Python coding or any other coding to do a huge analysis on that data. So how do we get this data from Arduino serial windows to your Excel files? The first basic step is to download this macro activated Excel file. For this, go to Google and search PLXDAQ Arduino. The first site pops up, which is from parallax.com. You can open this site and you can see a download option over here. Once you've downloaded this, you can extract the files and you can see there are two zip files inside it. The first one is first version of this macro activated Excel and the second one is the updated or the latest version. So I've unzipped this particular second version and the file which we need to use is this one, plxdaq_r2.xlsm. So this file has macros activated inside it and it should open something like this. This green box is the most important part that we need. The background behind this, the graphs and everything, I've modified it as per my convenience. I'll be uploading this modified Excel on my Google Drive and I'll share the link in description box. You can get the graph and everything as it is from that download link. But the main point to concentrate over here is this particular Excel or this particular green box. It shows my port number to which Arduino is connected. So my port is 3. The baud rate which we have set for serial.print, which we do it in Arduino, it should be 9600 or something else, usually 9600. So I've entered these two values over here. I'll say clear my stored data and reset on connect. So whenever I push a connect command, it should reset my Arduino board and it should start getting fresh data. This is all about the Excel part. Now let's jump into the code and check what changes have been done. So jumping to our Arduino code, what modifications are present in Arduino? So I'm using the same example which we had seen previously. This is interfacing of my oximeter sensor, which is max 30100 with my Arduino board. We have seen that we can get these values of oxygen levels and heart rate levels on a serial window or LCD screen. But how about we get it on Excel and generate a particular ECG graph on that data? So what are the modifications inside my Arduino code? Only 3 commands have to be added inside my void to setup. The first one is for clearing the data. So whenever a serial window starts or my Arduino restarts, it would clear the previous data. The next one is the most important command which allows my Excel to understand my headers. Headers are nothing but your column names. So over here, if I'll show you the data, my headers are stamp, which is my timestamp, HR is the heart rate, SpO2 is my oxygen level, and valid flag is validity flag of my oxygen level. If my oxygen level is invalid or if it is a minus due to some garbage values, valid flag shall be 0. But in my case, I'm capturing only the data which has valid flag is equal to 1. So that garbage data is not collected in my Excel and my space is not filled up unnecessarily. So coming back to Arduino coding, I have mentioned label. So which are my labels? First one is stamp, which we saw in Excel. Second one was HR, SpO2 and valid flag. So these 4 are my columns and these 4 are my columns. This command is being indicated by the keyword label. The next command is reset timer, just to reset the time. That's it. We are not actually using this timer, but it is just present in this code for resetting the timer. That's all in void setup. Now going inside void loop. If SpO2 is above 80, so this is my command which I have added because I need only particular good values in my oxygen level or in my Excel file inside my ECG. If I'm getting minus 999 due to garbage values, that should not be captured in my Excel file. Hence this if command. Next one is serial.print data and time. Here I am telling the Excel file to capture my data, which is heart rate and oxygen levels, as well as to capture the time in real time, which will be my system data. The next line, if you observe carefully, is comma, which is a delimiter for my Excel. Excel understands data in terms of comma separation, semicolon separation, or tab separations. There are some other delimiters as well. Delimiter is nothing but a method of telling some Excel or some notepad files where the first column's data has ended and where the second column's data started. So this is a separator between column-wise data. So I'm adding a semicolon and I'm saying that after time, this after printing this particular time, the times has ended and the next data flowing in the same row would be my heart rate. So I'm printing heart rate after this comma, and after the heart rate I'm again putting a comma so that the next data which is flowing will be SpO2 data, that is my oxygen level. Once oxygen data is also sent to my Excel, again a separator has been sent or a delimiter has been sent, and the next flag is the valid SpO2 flag. After this, again a comma and a blank space which shows that my entire data has completed for one record or for one row, and the next data, which would be again my next timestamp, has to be entered in a new line. Otherwise I'll just get the data in a single line and I'll not be able to create any kind of graphs. And I've added a delay of 1 second so that each second new data flows in. So I'll just show you a live demo of how my graph gets created or how the data is captured. Okay, so let's get started with our live demonstration. My port has been set correctly, baud rate has been set correctly, Arduino has the latest code, Arduino is connected with USB cable, and SpO2 is connected with my Arduino. So I click on connect on the Excel file, my Arduino restarts and I place my finger. If everything goes well, I should have the data inside my Excel file. You can use this data in some other applications to generate huge number of analysis and some other kind of graphs. This is a basic graph that I've generated using only first 50 records. As you can see, I'm getting every data for 1 second with my heart rate and SpO2 information, and the graph is progressing correctly. If I remove my finger, Arduino starts blinking saying that the finger was removed and my graph has stopped. So I'm not getting any kind of garbage values over here. After some time, the graph went blank because my finger was not detected. So that was all about SpO2 interfacing with Excel using Arduino Uno board. I would suggest you to use this test code when you download your Excel file so that you get some data dumped from Arduino board to your Excel. This code can be used for easy understanding of Excel interfacing and giving those Excel commands with delimiters and column headers. That's all about Excel interfacing with Arduino. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please stay home and stay safe.